Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, the place where AI meets creativity. I'm Honey, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Google Gemini with Canva to create absolutely stunning designs and posters, even if you have zero design experience. Let's start. You have to go on a Gemini AI. Firstly, you have to go on its settings and then go to Connected App and enable and connect the Canva. But must ensure that you have the Pro version of the Canva. Then you shall fully use the Canva and their tools, elements, etc. After that procedure, you just paste your prompt on the Gemini and generate your design. And if you like to customize the generated design according to your imagination, simply type at Canva, make this design editable. This will convert the design into an editable format. Then ChatGPT generates an integrated link with your Canva, and you should click on that link and you land on the Canva website or app, and now you can customize the design as per your imagination. This is how the final design looks after applying all the effects and enhancements.